Are you brave enough to discover the world's most terrifying snakes? Today we venture into the hidden corners of our planet, to realms where these extraordinary, often misunderstood creatures reign supreme. They are the stuff of legends and nightmares, masters of camouflage, speed, potent chemical warfare. Their mere presence commands primal fear and respect, forged over millions of years. But our journey today is not simply about danger. Prepare yourselves as we count down 10 of the most formidable snakes on Earth. Our journey begins in the vast, sun-scorched clay pans of Central East Australia, a landscape that appears barren and unforgiving. Yet it is here, hidden within the deep cracks of the parched earth, that we find our first subject, the inland taipan. Often called the fierce snake, this name is a slight misnomer, for it is typically a shy and reclusive creature. It is, by a significant margin, the most venomous land snake on the planet. It evolved to dispatch its warm-blooded prey, the long-haired rat. A single bite delivers a dose so potent, it is estimated to be enough to kill over 100 fully grown humans. When it does strike, it is with blinding speed and precision. The venom goes to work immediately. A silent, swift assault on the nervous system, a creature of immense power yet living a quiet, solitary life, a ghost in the outback. We travel now to the dense forests and jungles of South and Southeast Asia, the domain of a true monarch. This is the king cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world. Reaching lengths of up to 18 feet, it can raise the front third of its body straight off the ground, standing tall and looking a full-grown human directly in the eye. It flattens the ribs in its neck, creating that iconic narrow hood, and emits a low, guttural hiss, more like a growl than a hiss. The king in its name is a specialist predator that feeds almost exclusively on other snakes. Enough to kill an adult elephant, or 20 humans. The female is a dedicated parent. She builds an elaborate nest and guards it fiercely until they hatch, then departs, leaving the young alive. Watching a king cobra move through undergrowth is royalty in motion. Our journey now takes us to the savannas and rocky hills of eastern and southern Africa. The territory of a snake whose name is spoken with a mixture of fear and reverence, the black mamba. Its name is not derived from the color of its scales, which are typically grayish-brown or olive-green, but its name comes from the inky blackness of the inside of its mouth. The black mamba is one of the fastest snakes in the world, capable of moving at speeds up to 12 miles per hour over short distances. It uses explosive speed to escape or launch devastatingly quick strikes. Neurotoxins and cardiotoxins, a double-pronged attack that shuts down the nervous system and targets the heart. The onset of symptoms is terrifyingly rapid. When cornered, it can become highly aggressive, striking repeatedly with incredible speed. Despite its reputation, the black mamba would rather flee than fight. We now venture into the tropical rainforests and plantations of Central and South America, home to a group of pit vipers known for their particularly volatile nature. The name, French for lance head, refers to the sharply defined triangular shape of its head. Close up on heat-sensing pits, this snake is a master of ambush and a creature with a notoriously short temper. Its venom is a complex and destructive hemotoxin. It doesn't just kill, it liquefies. Potently necrotic, it destroys tissue. A bite causes intense, immediate pain, massive swelling and bruising. It is a gruesome and agonizing process that can lead to permanent disability or the need for amputation, even in survivors. These snakes are prolific breeders, with females giving birth to live young, sometimes as many as 80 at a time. They are nocturnal hunters, using heat-sensing pits to locate prey. a hair-trigger hunter whose wrath is swift. We return to Australia, a continent renowned for its dangerous wildlife. This is the eastern brown snake. It is responsible for more snakebite fatalities in Australia than any other species. Its prevalence in populated areas plus a nervous disposition creates a perfect storm for deadly encounters with humans. It has relatively small fangs. The bite can be swift and painless, sometimes leaving only faint, almost unnoticeable scratches. We now find ourselves in the trees and shrubs of sub-Saharan Africa, looking for a creature that redefines subtlety in venom delivery. This is the boomslang, a name which in Afrikaans means tree snake. The boomslang is a rear-fanged snake. To inject venom, it must open its jaw to an almost 170-degree angle, then essentially chew on its victim so venom can seep in. Its effects are not immediate. Hours, or even a full day, may pass before symptoms begin. The venom disables blood clotting. The victim bleeds from every possible orifice. The tragic case of herpetologist Carl Schmidt in 1957 forced the world to take notice. We are back in Australia, but this time we're in the southern regions, including coastal islands and wetlands. This is the tiger snake, named for the distinct yellow and black bands that often adorn its body. Tiger snakes are creatures of the wetlands, excellent swimmers that hunt frogs and other aquatic prey. Their venom is a powerful and complex brew: neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins. This preference for wet environments often brings them into contact with humans. The development of a specific antivenom has significantly reduced fatalities from tiger snake bites. Our travels take us to arid regions of Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent. Here, hidden beneath the sand, lives a small snake with a terrifying distinction: the saw-scaled viper. They rub serrated scales together, producing a loud sizzling or rasping sound, a chilling warning in the desert night. By sheer numbers and overlap with rural populations, it's responsible for more human deaths than all other snake species combined. We journey to the islands of the Philippines, a land of incredible biodiversity. This is the Philippine cobra, a stocky, medium-sized snake whose primary defense mechanism is not its bite, but its aim. From a distance of up to 10 feet, it can accurately spit a fine spray of deadly venom directly at its target. It specifically targets the eyes. The venom causes immediate and excruciating pain and, if not washed, can lead to permanent tissue damage and blindness. The snake can fire multiple jets in quick succession, a rapid-fire defense to blind and disorient. It lives in a wide range of habitats, from dense jungle to rice paddies, bringing it into frequent contact with agricultural workers. The Philippine cobra possesses a highly potent, purely neurotoxic venom capable of causing respiratory paralysis and death in under 30 minutes. This ability makes the Philippine cobra exceptionally dangerous to handle or even approach. For our final serpent, we return once more to Australia and the island of New Guinea. Hidden amongst the leaf litter of the forest floor, a master of patience and explosive power lies in wait. Its most remarkable feature is the caudal lure, a thin, brightly colored tail tip that it twitches like a grub. A small bird, lizard, or rodent approaches the lure, and the death adder explodes from hiding. It possesses the fastest strike of any snake in the world, then bite, then inject venom, then return to its ready position, all in under 1/10 of a second. Its long fangs deliver a powerful neurotoxin leading to paralysis, historically fatal before antivenom. Perfect camouflage, deceptive lure, and the fastest strike, nature's efficient assassin. Admire from a safe distance. We have journeyed across the globe, from the sun-baked plains of Australia to the shadowed jungles of Asia and the savannas of Africa. Their venom, their speed, and their hunting strategies are tools for survival. Their complex venoms are even being studied by scientists to create life-saving medicines. These animals ask only to be left alone. To understand them is not to condone their danger, but to respect their power and role in the natural world. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content as we continue to explore the breathtaking and often dangerous beauty of our planet.